Welcome to the An English Coffee Office. Today is Sunday, November 23, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hi, Alex. Good morning. The coffee smells great today.
Hi, David. Good morning. Yes, I need this coffee bad.
How was your weekend? Mine was busy with family.
Mine was okay. I rested a lot. Ready for the week?
Sort of sales meetings all day. You?
Project starts soon. Deadlines everywhere.
Hey, did you see the news? Crazy stuff?
Which news? I check my phone quick.
The USA Today won from November 15th.
About Trump and Venezuela?
Yes. It talks about over the years of U.S. actions in Latin America.
Right. History of interventions there?
Now Trump has a gambit, some big plan.
Gambit? Like a risky move in business?
Exactly. Sounds risky for trade too.
Yes. Our clients in South America call me.
They worry about changes.
Yes, prices might go up. Shipping too.
My sales targets. Hard to hit now.
Projects change fast. New rules maybe.
Pass the milk? Thanks. Remember last year.
Latin America deals. Yes, smooth then.
Now, chaos. Trump shakes things.
Governments do that. We adapt.
True, but sales guys hate surprises.
Project managers too. Plans break.
Coffee helps. Hot one more.
Careful, hot. So what else in news?
Another one, Boston Globe, November 19.
Social media story.
Yes, fuels discontent for middle class.
Cycle of never satisfied. Always more.
Scrolling all day makes unhappy.
Like us, phones at lunch.
Guilty, check sales leads on X.
Hurts focus, team distracted.
Meetings run long, phones buzz.
Put down phones, talk face to face.
Good idea, but clients text fast.
Balance it, screen breaks help.
My wife says same, less scroll.
Smart. Middle class feels poor always.
Ads show big houses, we have small.
Social media lies. Real life better.
True, office coffee chat's best.
Yes, real friends here.
One more news. WSJ November 14th.
Tariffs?
Yes, buying cheap foreign goods ends.
Prices up. No more bargains. Overbuying uncool now.
Clients complain, want cheap stuff.
Budgets tight. Less gadgets buy.
Sales drop, maybe.
Projects cut costs. Local buy.
Tariffs help U.S. jobs or hurt.
Both controversial.
People mad at higher prices.
Governments push. We follow.
Like office rules, adapt quick.
Yes, coffee done, refill?
No good. Meeting in 10 minutes?
Me too, team call.
This news talk helps start day.
Agree, keeps us sharp.
Latin America first. Watch clients.
Yes, update me if sales here.
Deals, social media next.
Less scroll, more work.
Haha, tariffs last. Buy smart.
Good plan.
See you later, Alex.
Bye, David. Good day.
You too.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.